In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn on or off flashlight on your iPhone. So this is what you have to do. So the first one, if you want to turn on the flashlight, what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top right and do like this. From here, this is called Control Center. From here, you can see there is a torch kind of an icon inside a bubble. You just need to tap on it. And right now, if I tilt my iPhone over here, you can see we have the flash. This is how we can turn it on. And if you wanted to turn it off, what you need to do is you have to do the same. Just go over here, tap on it so that the flashlight is completely disabled over here like this, as you can see. Now we have few more thing that is all about. You can just go over here once again. Now if you just press and hold like this, as you can see the flashlight is turned on. Now if you wanted to increase this one over here, the intensity and all those things, you have to do like this. Use your finger over here like this, and you have to go down so that the flashlight, the brightness has been completely down. And if you wanted to bring it back over here, you have to go over here once again and just do like this. And right now you can bring over here like this. If you go to the up, the flashlight intensity of light will be increased, and if you just go over here, if you drop it down, you can see it will be reduced as well. Now another thing, what you need to do is if you don't find the control center, the flashlight over here on the control center, you just need to one thing, you have to go to the plus icon over here. Now go to the add control. Now from here you have to search here for flashlight. For me, in my case, it is already there. So if you don't find it, you just need to go over here and add it so that it will be over here like this, visible over here in the control center. If you just go back, you can see this. Now we can add it over here if you don't find it, but most cases it will be there. This is how we can turn on and turn it off. So let me turn it off. So this is how we can do this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.